Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, summer has come and one of the important tasks is to cut the grass, or you can say lawn mower. I am doing it from today morning onwards. Oh my god, it's a very difficult task and dirty work to see all on my driveway. But we have to do, there is no way to escape because the grass was really very high and it was looking ugly. Somehow I managed, you see here in the curb side. It won't stay there for long because of air flowing, it will be cleaned pretty soon. And here also, like, it was very long, but I have smashed most of them. Now I'm gonna clean this area. This is also very important. Yeah, really nobody likes to do it at 7 a.m. in the morning, but when you own a house in Canada, you have to do this. I can give this contract to some service providers, but that's gonna be very expensive for me and I cannot afford that. So that's why I have to do it myself, no other option. And this lawn mower I am using, have to do this. So thanks for watching this video guys. Please subscribe to the channel.